Today with Quark-Elec, we'll be looking at how to update the firmware of the IBC75-15 Intelligent Battery Controller. It can be performed via laptop, PC, tablet or mobile devices via Wi-Fi. First, download the firmware package from our website. It is important to first make sure that the files are extracted to your local device. The first step is to connect to the IBC's Wi-Fi network. You can find these details on the full screen of the device. Once connected, open a web browser and head to 192.168.4.1/update. When prompted for a secondary password, enter 88888888. This can be found in the user manual. We now see the option MCU and UI firmware. It is extremely important to ensure that the correct firmware is loaded onto the correct setting. Failure to do so can result in locking of the device. The process for updating both the MCU and UI is the same. Click within the section and then locate the correct firmware.bin file and upload it. Once ready, click MCU file upload or UI file upload respectively to begin the process. A message will appear to say that the IBC will reboot for the firmware to take effect. We can then reconnect to the Wi-Fi and perform the same steps for the remaining firmware. Checking of the firmware version differs for each type. UI firmware can be checked within the Wi-Fi config of the web UI. The MCU version can be checked from the full screen of the onboard display as you can see here. As always, stay safe and happy sailing.